Well, welcome to my basement for another shipping video. Today I'm just going to ship these jeans in these Tiffin glass goblets, I guess, cordials, something. I'm not sure what they are, but yeah, so I'm just going to get right started here, and I'm going to try to see if I can shrink these down a little bit. I want to put that over there. I bet you there's probably a better way of doing this than what I'm going to do it. I don't do clothes too often, so I'm just going to try to make this a bit of a smaller package here. Fold them over like that, and then I got to mail them priority because they're over a pound, so put them in this bag. Maybe put them in this bag. Some shipper I am. See how it goes. Oh, you rascal! You get in there! Get in there! I think I might have got them. Maybe. Oh, partially, almost. Aha! They're in there. Good. All right. Those envelopes, they came from a friend of mine that he had a bunch of them when he moved and he just needed to get rid of them, so I took them off his hands. And then I'm going to try to put this down in here. Okay, I'm going to get these glasses out of the way a minute. All right, and pop that off of there. Roll this over. There. And I'll usually try to run that way, run a little tape around the end. Run a little tape over this end. I guess some people don't like to use these flat rate envelopes. Ding. But I don't mind. I never had a problem with it, so I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. So we could put something right over that flap right there. And yeah, I'm good. I'm done with that one. Looks good to me. Alright. Then these cute little glasses. Start with... Oh, that didn't rip correctly. Where's the... There it is. I bought some bubble wrap, and it's really good stuff. I bought it from American Bubble or something. It was on Facebook. And I bought from them before, which is probably why it's on Facebook. But and it's good stuff, but their perforations aren't the best. You know, the rolls I have at the shop. Actually, these are some of the rolls I have at the shop. I brought them home because I got more. I had them shipped to the shop. Well, I haven't checked the new ones. The new ones might be better. It might just been a bad thing that I got that time. I mean, the bubble wrap's good. It's not flimsy. It's a lot better than some of the stuff you get out there when you buy the real cheap stuff. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Other than that, poor perforations. All right, I got pretty decent money for these sewing, and Okay, so yeah, that perforated. That wasn't too bad. That one there. Yeah, basically that's what I'm gonna do this to all of them. So now you know that's what I'm gonna do. In case for some reason you gotta go, but they're all getting that way. My furthest back item that was still left yet for the delayed shipping stuff just started moving last night. I mailed it on the 6th of December. Today was January 8th, and it just started moving again from, let's see, it was supposed to go to another town here in Pennsylvania, and instead it went to Jacksonville, Florida, went back to Philly, and December 20th was the last time it was scanned, I think, in Philly, and then it didn't move again until tonight. So that was good. That was kind of interesting. I had an express mail package that was supposed to go to Minnesota, and the postmaster from that Minnesota post office called me today at the shop. Well, he called me today, and I was at the shop when he called, but he called me today, and he was talking to me about it, and he doesn't know what happened to the package. He helped me get the go through the process of getting the refund on the postage for the express mail. And I told him about this package I was just telling you guys about a minute ago. And he said, well, let me look at that. He goes, he asked me for the zip code, and or not the zip code, the the tracking number. So I gave him the tracking number, and he looked it up, and he goes, yeah, he says, yeah, he's like, what did they send it to Jacksonville for? That's weird. And I told him it got sent back as missent mail, so which that happened to several of my packages that they got missent. So he said that it is in, I think he said, a facility or a unit or something like that, that he's noticing that the other tracking numbers that were in that unit had started to be delivered. So they know right where this stuff is at. If they look deep down enough in their system, they know where all these packages are. Because he knew where it was, and he knew what unit it was in. So they gotta have it. I mean, you know, and he said other packages from that unit were being delivered. So I thought, well, that was really nice of him to do that and look that up for me. And then tonight, I was upstairs and I got a text message, because I have text messages set up for these packages, and I got a text message that said that that particular item had started moving again. So hopefully it doesn't go back to Jacksonville or some junk, but because it just said it was on its way to the next facility. So that, you know, that could mean anything, but let's hope it means it's on its way to Media, Pennsylvania, and not back to Jacksonville. So anyway, that was kind of interesting to have that conversation with him. He was really helpful and better than some of the other ones that I've gotten to speak with. I've spoken with 4 different postmasters. I think 4 about different packages, and he was probably the most helpful of all of them. Most of them just tell you the same thing you can get from the tracking. Well, we're having a lot of delays because there's so much stuff, and there's not really anything we can. They don't really bother to look real deep. I had one lie to me about a package that she said was delivered, and it was scanned at the place, and then the buyer called me up and told me no. I talked to the post office, and it was misdelivered, and the person who got it called the post office, and they came and picked it up and then delivered it to him. So that first person lied to me. I had a feeling because she started looking up the GPS for the scan, and then she got funny. She started like acting kind of funny, like over the phone, talking like yeah, it's been delivered. Sort of a deal. And I was like, oh, okay. But she had a very nice, soothing voice, so I was okay with it. But yeah, I had some other ones that just, they weren't helpful at all. And so anyway, that as far as I know, the package for the express mail is lost. I'm gonna be filing. Well, I gotta work again tomorrow, so I don't want to get involved in a. Maybe I'll do it after work tomorrow when I get back from the shop and go through the process of trying to file for the insurance claim on the express mail package. I don't know. I should get it. It's only $25. Yeah, it'd be nice if they give me back the postage. Well, I guess they did. Yeah, I did get the postage back. So I haven't got it back, and they're gonna send me a check for it. So, but it got approved like instantly for the postage because it was express mail, and it's been forever. So yeah. So what am I gonna put these in? I don't want to put them in there, do I? I don't think they'll fit in here. No, they're not gonna fit in there. Let's see. I guess probably a 10 by 8. See if I got one of them here. Yep. Whatever they are, 10 by 8 by 6. Put in here. Yeah, so that one's moving. That package is moving again, which is nice because that's the oldest one that's still out there. I have a couple other ones. I have another one that I think I'm gonna have to refund on. I haven't had to refund totally yet. But I think it's only an $8 item, so I'll have to refund that and the shipping, which was first class, so it's not bad shipping either. So, but that is what it is. And they, to be fair, they've really waited long enough, so it isn't their fault. It's not mine either, but I know if it was me, I'd kind of want to get refunded. So she's been super patient and understanding and pretty cool about it. So, but it's just, I can't believe I didn't cut that enough. I thought sure I had it right. So that one's, I'm gonna relist it for more money because they sold really fast. So I'm gonna relist it for more money and see if I can get it. It was just, they were old Return of the Jedi, like Burger King glasses, and it was the one with Jabba the Hutt and Princess Leia and the Leia in the slave outfit. So I'm pretty sure it'll be all right. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get more money out of it. So I had 3 of them, and they all sold really quick. So that was I probably had them too cheap, but that's the way that goes. I want to really protect these. I think I'm going to, I have to make sure I can cut it this way. So I have to put it here, I think. What else then there's some books that there's been a case filed on, but they're in Nevada, and good, okay, cool. They're in Nevada, and they're moving. They're just moving slow. So with the leeway that eBay's given for these things, they should get there. They should get there in time. Okay, that was good. This one, and I'm gonna cut this again, only shorter or thinner. I cut it right about there, I think. And then I think, is there one more? I think there might be one other one. I can't think of what it is right now. So I think I still have four altogether, but it's all coming together. And then I have a few from after Christmas, but those are going pretty well. I have some books that are a little behind, but you can't really expect much with books anyway, so medium mail's always been slow. Uh-oh. This way? No, I gotta go that side. Let's see. Oh, it'll be alright, I think. Put this one here. Put that in like that. I'm gonna put this in here. That. Yeah, that'd be good. So it's all working out. Oh, sorry. It's gonna be all right. All right, well, there you go. I hope that was helpful. I hope you learned something from watching the video, folks. It was really exciting for me to tell you the stories. I really enjoyed it. I hope you have a great night. Take care, and bye-bye.